this is how we chat for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this we're going to show you how you can install any application from App Store to your MacBook, to your iMac or any other version of Apple computer. For this you have to go to this logo of Apple, hit this one. You see here is the third option, App Store, hit this one. Now for install anything, I hit this application, for example Affinity Publisher. I hit install. Let's see, they're asking me password. I put here. I hit get button. So you can see this application is downloading. It's a design and graphics application to my computer, to my Mac. It's done. You can open here. You can click open. You can see also, you see here Launchpad. You can click this one and you see Affinity Publisher 2. I hit this one. Is opening here. You see Affinity Publisher 2. Okay, you have activate, buy now, bring 30-day trial and blah blah blah. Okay, I hit activate. This is the way you can download any application to your MacBook. Very simple basic tutorial, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.